part of that step. Because maybe, who knows, it's the first time using this. So let's just open it and go in. Oh wow, it's Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I'm trying out for the first time the Skala Expert Curling Cream and Leavein 2-in-1 cream. So let's get into it. So I've been seeing this top almost everywhere and everybody raves about how good it is. And I was doing like a little bit of research about the brand and what other products they had, and I thought this one was going to be the one that I should try first because it's for hydration and strength, perfect curls, strength, and moisturizing apparently. But reading the label, the actual label, apparently this is like a leave-in conditioner, or it can be a substitute to your deep conditioner when you're shampooing your hair. You can just put this instead of your conditioner or deep conditioner. Leave it for 3 minutes, I think they say here. Yeah, for 3 minutes, and then rinse it off and then style as normal. But apparently you can use this as a leave-in or a curling cream. See the directions. It says apply to shampooed hair, massaging thoroughly each lock of hair for 3 minutes and rinse well. That's why I'm saying that it can be just replacement of your conditioner. It can be used to replace traditional conditioner and leave-in. So I'm gonna be using this as a leave-in today. Maybe some other day I'll use it as a conditioner just to see what it does to the hair as part of that step. Because maybe, who knows, it's the first time using this. So let's just open it and go in. Oh wow, it smells so... It's very perfumey clean. If you ask me, it's very flowery. Yeah, well, it's fine. You know that normally I'm worried about the scent because of my allergies, my nose. But yeah, for what I see in the ingredients seems to be very, very fine. Parfum is up there, not very up there, but it's okay. But yeah, let's just see and apply it on. Yeah. Yeah, now that my hair is wet. Sorry if you hear some noise. It started to rain. I wish I could control the weather and not it be raining right now while I'm filming, but it's just what it is. And I don't like filming at night. I like to film during the day because I'm not going to be doing my hair and just going to bed. Not yet, that's not happening yet, but maybe it will in the future. Before I do anything, I'm going to test the cream and the gel, as I always do. Just a little bit of the cream. I'm gonna put it here because I'm gonna layer these two products together and I want to know if they are gonna interact well. So a little bit of the gel, and let's see what happens. So I think they're gonna work well. I don't know if you can see, it creates like a film on my hand, but it doesn't create any clumps or residue like it's too dry. The cream is very moisturizing and it's counteracting how strong the gel is, and it's keeping it super moisturized. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now. So I think they're gonna interact very well. They're not gonna leave any residue, and if they do leave some residue, it's gonna be like easy to take off. It's not gonna be flaky. That's my guess. But yeah, let's just apply. Yeah, definitely smells really nice. Like if I had that perfume for myself, I would wear it. Yeah, I don't know. It is. I have smelled it before. I don't know if it was somewhere like in a mall. I don't know. So wow, my hair feels super soft. Like it went in and it immediately detangled my hair. Definitely my hair comes detangled from the shower. But if you live in the Caribbean or in the tropics like I do, you know that once you put your hair, you come out of the shower, you put your hair in your microfiber towel, and you and you take it out just to style your hair already started to dry. Like it feels it feels like it's starting to dry out, and you have to apply again more water, and then your products you tend to overdo them because you feel like you're trying to go against the weather. But yeah, definitely I've used very little, and my hands are going through my hair very easy. Yeah, I don't know if I want to put any more. Let me use my tangling brush. So wow, yeah, definitely. I think it's gonna become one of my favorite creams. I don't know why, but I use very little. I'm very surprised because I've used so little, and my hair feels like super soft and super detangled. And yeah, like I said, even if it's topics, oh my god, it's funny. I don't like that. But yeah, it's very, it's some leave-ins struggle to go through my hair the way this one has gone through. But look at how moisturized it looks. And I could definitely see that the brush is distributing it definitely through the whole hair. So I don't know if I should put a little bit more. I think I'm very happy with how much it has. I don't want to overdo it. I tend to overdo products, but I don't want to. So let me just style my hair. I'm not gonna do anything differently. I'm just gonna use the gel to style my hair, the extreme wetline gel, and I'll be back just to give you my opinion today, because remember, I'm gonna do a final review of these eventually after using it for a while, because we are here for learning and finding the products that actually work for us. It wasn't very expensive. I went to the store and it cost me like around $5 to $6, not more than that. And yeah, it's a huge tub, but I hope it works for what it says it does. I bought it thinking it was gonna be like a curling cream, but it's not a curling cream. It's a leave-in, but I'm fine. I'm fine using it as a leave-in. Because lately I'm just trying to use less products and only using like a leave-in and a styler, whether it's a curling cream or a gel, and I tend to go for gels just because I live in Panama, and in Panama it's very hot and humid, and humidity just takes control of your curls. So yeah, let me just do my hair, and I'll be back just to give you a little wrap up with this first impression. Wow. So these are the final results. Let me just, there's some more. I think it's naturally dividing here. But I don't like my hair to go divided in the middle. But yeah, have a little bit of the cast, and I like leaving some of the cast on. Anyway, these are the curls. Look at them. They're so soft. They're very soft. Have no scent at all. Like, it just smells clean. Just smells clean, but it's all defined. Like, I barely get that normally. So I don't know what is in this. Well, you have to look at the ingredients, but yeah. As a leave-in, I think it's really good because I went in and I did my hair when I was detangling. It went in so quick, like the brush had no trouble at all going in, and I didn't have to use a lot of product. So far I'm very impressed with this leave-in cream. Yeah, let me show you the bag. This is the bag, and then you can tell the curls. I really like when my curls are very defined like this, and they feel very moisturized, like super healthy, bouncy. Like, yeah, I'm really impressed. Get this thing. It's divided. Or I don't like it. Yeah, wait until I get really deep into this because I want to use it. I want to know what the whole experience of using this is, and eventually I'll bring to you guys a final review of this. Like I said, I'm not being sponsored by Skala. I bought this with my own money. They have other products that I can get, which I don't know exactly, because I don't like using products that are not really gonna work on my hair. My hair is very virgin. It has no chemicals. The only damage you may get is mechanical damage by using the brush, and when you shampoo and apply your products, or heat, because I do diffuse my hair, so it may just have that type of damage. But overall, I use like a heat protectant every time I wash my hair. Even heat, it's very minimum. So I don't really need to get and go deep into strengthening my curls or really deep condition. I always have to do like an upkeep. So that's basically what I do. Sometimes I mix and match my products. Sometimes are for strengthening with protein, and most of the times what I want is moisture and hydration, because I live in a humid weather, and I feel like that my skin and my hair is losing water during the day because of the high levels of humidity here in Panama. But yeah, I definitely like, for it being the first time, I'm really impressed. So I wonder how my hair would look like as I use this. I'm gonna try to use it. How it mentioned is that it can be used as a co-wash or as a substitute for your deep conditioning or your conditioner in the shower. So I will definitely try that. And eventually, when I do my final review, I'll give you my whole overall experience about using this Skala mice cachos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!